Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get get the scouting point faster by doing some milestone matches. So what you need to do first is go to the founders banner or live event first. As you can see, founders now exceed until 50 million players. So it's quite happening in FIFA Mobile today. So what you need to do is go to milestone matches. I'm already complete 1, 2, 3 season. So still there are 2 more season that I have to complete because it's quite exciting rewards. So per match you can get until 100 scouting point to save, and you can spend this scouting point in this club building to get the player to get what player, a pioneer player or even this one, save until 3000 scouting point to get the fixed player set up by games. So please do these milestone matches. This is based on actual based on real life matches in last season. So if you already complete this milestone, you can get this captain armband to exchange for pioneer captain. Tap the transition. This one, you can get Zanetti, Stephen Gerrard, or Raul Gonzalez if you have the captain armband. And only one pioneer captain can be obtained, not 3, but choose carefully what who's your captain need in your team. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.